Hello, I'm Caroline from the Fashion School and I'm launching the Fashion School at Home sustainable packs. These aren't something we're churning out, they're quite individual, and for those of you who haven't been with us before, we will be asking you, part of your booking, what you think your child would like. If you want to be guided by us, that's absolutely fine as well. So the packs are, we have those who've come to the fashion school and are kind of working on for next term and waiting for when the exit from all of this happens and we're back. And then we have packs people who've not been before, maybe the tinies who haven't sewn, maybe, even teenagers who haven't sewn. There's different projects for everybody, and we'll be launching more throughout the throughout the crisis. We've got prices that are coming up, so I can't tell you at the moment because we're trying to get this out as quickly as possible and replace it with a very professional video, I'm sure. So they'll be on this page. We will also have details of all the different projects, and then apart from that, we will have those of you who want like an hour one-to-one with your tutor to go through things very, very carefully. We do one-to-one sessions, and each tutor will be there with their photo, their speciality, how they will communicate with you, because obviously you're not just given a pack and then by. It's all part of a continued learning, and we want to be very involved every step of the way. There'll be timetables, all sorts. That will be there for you. And then other people, when we talk about an online pack, we talk in a way that there will be like a weekly tutorial, or if you want to ask little questions for your tutors, that's fine. So you will still be very much in touch. It's just that it won't be to the extent of the one-to-ones who want this one-to-one for an hour at a time. Anyway, whatever, we're there for you. We will be offering discounts for people who are on the front line, like in the NHS, and just really good luck, everybody. I think this is one of the things that could come out of this. Is it's so great that something has allowed you children to be out of that mad testing environment for a bit, and actually to find your own space and develop your own creativity and understand yourself without being assessed all the time. So I hope that's going to work. All right then, really look forward to hearing back from you. It's gone mental. We've got so many people trying to get in touch with us, but we're going to respond to everybody. Okay, bye-bye.